Okay, so you're gonna need first a USB device. It has to be 2 gigs or more. Mine's 16 gigs. I'm using a micro cruiser from SanDisk. And apart from that, an Xbox 360 computer and some programs that are in the description below the video. Okay, so I have put all the links for the programs in the description box underneath the video so that you can download the programs you need. You're going to need Modio, which is this one, which is what we're going to use to access our USB device so that we can edit the Xbox 360 profiles, and EzGT 2.2, which is this one, which is where we are going to add all the buttons and colors and everything else. So go ahead and download these two programs. I have put my own links to the programs because gametuts, which is a website that has Modio, is currently down and is having a spam problem. So yeah. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your USB device and you're going to put it on your Xbox after you have saved all of your stuff that is on the USB device. So this is my USB. Obviously I already configured it with the Xbox, so first take all the stuff on here and move it to your computer so that you can save it there just in case, because you will lose all your stuff. So once that's done and it's all on your computer, take your USB, put it on your Xbox 360 and go into system settings and go to memory and configure it. There you can set how much space you want to save for the Xbox and how much space you want to save for computer stuff and whatnot. So once you're done with that, you're gonna move your profile from your hard drive onto your USB device. So then you'll have to access your profile from your USB, but later you can move your profile back to the hard drive after all this is done. So the first thing you're going to do is, once you move your profile to the USB, plug into your computer and open Modio. You're going to go up here to the big M and then click Explore My Device. I like to use Modio because it's a lot simpler than other programs. Some other people use Export 360, but I find Modio to be a lot simpler because it just shows you the name of stuff on here and not just letters and numbers. So then, yeah, you're going to go to the big M and then click Explore My Device, which is this window right here. You're going to click File, Open and Close Drive, and if you have your device plugged in, it will show up here. So then you'll have partition 0, and it should say something like Content on here. You're going to click the plus sign, and then you won't have any of these here. You only have your gamertag, and here's mine. These 3 are my modded gamertags, and the downloads is for gamer pictures and themes. Okay, so click the plus sign on your gamer profile, and then go to Profile Storage, and then Profiles, and this should be your gamer profile ID. You're going to take that and you're going to right click it and extract it wherever you want. I already have mine extracted onto a file that I have made on here. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go into, once you extract it, you're going to go into EzGT and you're going to click this big button up here, click Open. You're going to click up here, you click Open, and then look for where you saved your profile ID, and then open it. Now you're going to want to go into Add, and you're going to erase your gamer tag, and then here you can add any of these buttons and whatnot. Also, yeah, they'll appear like this, but on the Xbox they'll appear as the buttons up here. When you add a color, you just click it and it'll add that little up arrow on the number. Also, there are some other colors that aren't on here. Here are the colors. The one you need to add is black, white if you want, but white's the normal one already on the Modern Warfare 2, and then these two I've never used them, but they're additional colors which I don't know what they do. Really? So yeah, okay. Let's say I just want to write my name in black, so I'll just do the up arrow 0 and then type. You can type it with a space or not, doesn't matter, because this part right here won't show on the Modern Warfare 2. It'll just be black and it'll say smoking in black. So then after you write your name, you have to click space until you can't do it anymore, so it takes up all the other empty spots. Then you go to option, and then here you can have these many different gamer tags saved. So right here I know that I have saved A, B, C, D, E, so I can't use any of those, so I'll just use F, and then you go up here and you click save. Once you're done with that, it'll appear wherever you have this folder saved on. Then you're going to go back into Modio, and then you're going to go up to content, and wherever your profile is, you're going to add the other folders into that same content folder in here. So just drag it into here and drop it. You can also do right click it and insert folder and look for the file wherever you saved it. So then once you're done with that, you close it and you just remove the storage device safely or whatever you want to do, and then you're done with that part. So what you're going to do is you're going to plug in your USB device into your Xbox, and then if you want you can move your regular gamer tag into the hard drive. I like to leave the modded ones in the USB device because that way they don't take up more space in my hard drive. So then what you're going to do is you're going to sign into your regular account and go into Modern Warfare 2. Then once you're in the Xbox Live menu, you're going to sign out and sign in to your modded gamer tag. Then it's going to ask you to choose a avatar or whatever, and it's going to say an error, and then doesn't matter, you're still signed into the new account. And then you're going to click multiplayer to play, and it's going to say that the profile is not valid. So then you're going to choose your regular gamer tag, and then if you want you have to change the options back to the regular settings for the brightness and whatnot. And then when you go into multiplayer, on the right side you'll see your name, the modded gamer tag, but if you click on it and you go to gamer tag, it'll take you to your regular gamer tag, but you only see the modded one, so everyone else sees you as modded gamer tag, and then they don't know it's actually you. So yeah, that's it for my tutorial. I hope you liked it. Comment, rate, subscribe, whatever you want to do. I don't give a shit.